Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTX and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the MOBVOI application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the MOBVOI application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home screen. Now you can tap on the device icon, and on the device page you should see your TicWatch GTX. Now let's tap on the smart reminder option. And here, if you see any pop-ups about permissions, allow them for the features to work. So we need to tap on authorize. It will redirect you to the notification access. Find the MOBVOI application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, go back to the app. And now you should be able to turn on and off the notifications. And we have notifications for calls, SMS, and this, I'm not sure what it is. It's silent when installing watch face. I'm not sure what this does. And below the silent when installing watch face, we have app reminder. And here we can turn on and off the notifications for the specific apps. We have the list of apps and we can turn on and turn off the notifications for them. And how it works is basically if you turn on the notification, for example, for WhatsApp, if you turn on the notifications for it and you receive the notification from WhatsApp on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. And if it's disabled, the notification won't be forwarded to your watch, so you will see it only on your phone. So enable the notifications for apps you like, and once you're done, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.